Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video we will only work on the sidebar and we will make it awesome. Okay, so log into your WordPress admin panel and go to appearance, widgets. Now here we can change our sidebar settings and footer settings. Okay, we can also change footer settings in the sefat theme, but there are also not a lot of settings in there, but the main settings for footer and sidebar are in here, appearance and widgets. Okay, so in this video we will work on this sidebar. Now you can see we have a lot of widgets on the sidebar: recent posts, recent command, archives, meta. These are not looking good. We will remove all of these except recent post and search. Okay, so here it is, primary widget area. This primary widget area is the sidebar. Okay, and whatever widget we want here will be appear on our this sidebar. Okay, right now we have search, recent post, archives, and other and the meta. You can see archives and the meta. So this is our right sidebar and these are our available widgets. We can drag whatever we want here. Okay, so let's start work on the sidebar. First let's remove these. Let's only keep search and recent post. Let's remove these three. These three are not looking good on the sidebar. To remove, just click on this and click delete. It's gone. So let's remove this too and let's remove meta. So when we click delete, it automatically saves the settings. Okay, so let's refresh it. See, now we only have search and recent post widgets. These things are called widgets. This is a search widget, this is a recent post widget. Okay, now we have only two widgets, search and recent posts. So let's make this recent post amazing. Okay, this is not looking good. There is not featured image here and there is no post date. There is only a little text of the post and it is not looking good. To change this recent post widgets, we need a plugin. Okay, we will install that plugin and that plugin will make this awesome. Okay, to install the plugin, for those of you guys who are new to the WordPress, you may don't know what plugin is. So let me tell you what plugin is. Plugin is a little piece of software that is added to the WordPress that adds some functionality. Okay, for example, when we add the plugin for recent post, it will only make recent posts more amazing. It will only add some functionality to our recent posts. Okay, plugins are little piece of software that we add to our WordPress website to do something. Okay, to now to add plugin for our recent post, all you need to do is click on this plugins, click on add new. Okay, here search for recent posts extended. Okay, press enter, recent posts extended. So it's searching for that plugin. Here it is, recent post widget extended. This is an awesome widget. Okay, I always install this widget. Now click on install now. It's gonna install the widget and then we will activate the plugin. Click on activate plugin. Now the plugin is ready. Okay, now plugin is ready and now what we need to do, we need to add the widget of this plugin to the sidebar. All we need to do is you go to appearance, widgets. Now you will see we will have another recent post widget. Okay, so let's see where is that recent post widget that is added by that plugin. Here it is, recent post extended. That plugin added another widget. Okay, so we are gonna remove this default recent post that is not good. Okay, now we are gonna drag this recent post extended to our sidebar. Okay, make sure you drag it right after the search. Okay, when you drag it, you will see these settings about the recent post widget. Okay, what we have, number of posts to show 5, whatever you want, 5, 6, 7, you can change it and keep this as it is. Okay, what kind of post we want to see, all of our posts. Let's click on post. We don't want to see pages in the sidebar. And this is the title. What title do you want? For example, this title is just recent post. Okay, recent post is good, keep it as it is. So I recommend you to keep everything as it is, but only thing you want to change is this number of posts show. Okay, change it to whatever you want, and then hit save. Okay, saved. Now click on this to collapse it. So now it is saved. So let's refresh, and you will see now we have a great recent posts widget. It have date, it has the title of the post, and it has the image of the post. Okay, and it will show us up to 5 images. Right now we don't have any post, that's why it is only showing one, but it will show us 5 posts like we done the setting here. Okay, so now the sidebar is looking a little bit good. Okay, so you can add more plugins you want. We have a lot of widgets here, like you can see archives, categories. If you want to show the categories, you can add categories. We have pages, you can drag pages to show the pages on the sidebar, and these are the Sahifa created plugins or widgets that we don't want. Okay, so now the sidebar looks better. Okay, so let's work on the footer now. Okay, let's and make the footer a little bit good. Now our footer is divided into 3 sections. One section is on the left side, one section is on the center, and one section on the right side. Like you can see here, first footer widget area, that is here on the left side, second footer widget area, that is here on the center, third footer widget area, that is on the right side. Okay, and we can add plugins to these widget areas. When we will add plugin to this widget area, that will come here on the left side. So let's add. Okay, to add a widget, so let's see what widget will look good on the left side. I have seen many bloggers, and they add calendar to their left side of footer. Okay, so let's add the calendar and let's see if it looks good or not. I'm gonna drag the calendar here. And what should be the title? Let's add without title. Close, refresh. See, now we have a nice calendar on the left side of our footer. Okay, looks good. Now you can add more widgets if you want. Let's see what other widget should look good. If you also want recent posts on the center of the footer, you can also drag it here, but it will not look good. So let's see what else we have. Let's add pages. Let's drag it to this one. Okay, we want pages to appear on the center, not on the left side. Okay, let's refresh and see what we got. Okay, here are our pages: about us and contact us. You can see it pages. This widget has a title, but on the calendar we don't have a title, we didn't write it. So let's write the title. Title will look good because pages also have a title. So let's say calendar. Save. Okay, fresh. Okay, now it looks good. Calendar, pages. Let's add another widget on the right side, on this one. What it should be: recent post extended or custom menu. No, not menu. Let's add the categories. What categories do we have? We have technology, motivation, health. Let's add these categories and say category. Oops, categories. Okay, display as drop down, show post counts, show hierarchy. Okay, keep it as drop down and refresh, and let's see. Okay, here we have categories, but it's not looking good. Let's remove this drop down and save. Now they are looking good. Health and uncategorized. So let me see what else we have in here. Health, technology, motivation, but it is only showing one. Let me see why it is only showing one. Save, refresh. Okay, it is only showing one because we don't have any post in technology and motivation. That's why it's only showing one, because we only have one post in health and one post in uncategorized. Okay, you can see one post in health and one post in uncategorized. That's why it is only showing health and uncategorized. Okay, when you add post to technology and motivation, it will also show them here. Okay, so I hope guys you now got the idea how to add widgets to our footer and our sidebar. So if you have any issue in the sidebar or the footer, just add a discussion and I will reply to you as soon as I see that discussion. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.